All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I know that some people have been having some challenges with Actively Learn, so I just wanted to show you how to get there. So if you go to our main Canvas page, you should be seeing this. There's a way for you to look at the course calendar. You can see course notifications, which we don't have any, I don't think. We shouldn't, I don't know. You have your to-do list. You have the way to contact me, my email. That's my office phone. I'm trying to set up a Google phone so that I have easier access. Um, and then you have those. Oh, it didn't save. So then I'll do the week at a glance there for you. And then I'm going to get rid of these because this Actively Learn link does not work. Does it work? No, it does not work. It's going to take you not to the right place. So for those of you trying to get to Actively Learn, you need to use the tab on the left. Okay, so you need to use the tab on the left. If you click on that Actively Learn over here on the left side of your screen, it will take you to a page that looks like this. That's like has nothing on it. There's no way to add anything else to it because it's just a link that connects our Canvas class to Actively Learn. And so when you click on this tab, it will take you to the place that you need to go. And for me, it doesn't quite work because I'm not a student in this class. Um, and so uh, and so here then you should be able to see our class, and you shouldn't have to use a class code. You should just have our biology class here um, for that. Okay. If that doesn't work, please let me know. Please email me. There's a lot of you guys have been managing to make it work by using this tab. That seems to be the issue for a lot of people. Some people it said that it was like there's like an error when you go here. Those were typically resolved by just giving it a little more time. Typically, like if a lot of people are trying to access the class, it gets overwhelmed. And so if after, trying it via this tab, waiting 10-15 minutes if it's not working, it's still not working, let me know and I will help you out, okay? So that's that. Yeah, email me and I'll help you. The first assignment, you're just doing questions 1, 2, and 3 in the Biosphere 2 What Really Happened article. So you're just working on the first 3 questions. More questions will pop up, more reading will pop up, but we're going to spend some time tomorrow working on those. Okay, I hope you guys are having a good Wednesday. I hope your SEL lesson went well, and I look forward to seeing you guys either tomorrow or Friday, depending on your class period.